अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। मैं मोहम्मद नईम अहमद यूट्यूब चैनल बाखबर बरवक़्त से। तैयार माल के रेट साबका बरकरार हैं, स्क्रैप की पोजीशन भी वही है और इसी तरह बिलेट का रेट भी बरकरार है। किसी किस्म की कोई रद्दोबदल नहीं हुई। ये वीडियो अपलोड करने का मकसद सिर्फ ये था कि हाज़िरी लगवाना या इंटरनेशनल व्यूवर जो हैं उनके लिए कल जो हुकूमत ने कि नई पॉलिसी का ऐलान किया है उनके लिए ख़बर है। आप दोस्तों के लिए बस यही है कि तमाम साबका रेट बरकरार है। वीडियो पसंद आए लाइक शेयर कमेंट्स लाजमी किया करें। अपनी दुआओं में याद रखें, अपने चैनल का ख्याल रखें। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू।
I am here with the latest developments from BB Rate Update.
The government has accepted a major condition of the International Monetary Fund, IMF, to further open the economy and attract international investors.
The potential impacts of this decision are as follows.
Possible positive effects.
Increase in investment. Pakistan's economy may become more attractive to foreign investors, leading to economic stability.
Improvement in rupee value. If investment flows in, the rupee's value could stabilize or improve. Economic growth. More opportunities may arise in the economy, boosting business activities.
Possible negative effects.
Increase in inflation. IMF conditions typically lead to subsidy reductions and higher prices for essential goods.
Increased debt pressure. If the conditions are strict, the government may need to take on more debt, creating difficulties for the public.
Public reaction. If economic pressure increases, public dissatisfaction and protests may arise.
It remains to be seen how the government implements this policy and whether it proves beneficial for the economy in the long run or creates additional challenges. Companies that import scrap, iron, steel, copper, etc.
from other countries may face several potential impacts due to this decision, mainly related to rupee value, import policies, and government taxes.
Positive effects. Better availability of dollars. If foreign investment increases and foreign exchange reserves grow, the rupee may stabilize, reducing costs for scrap importing companies.
Ease in international trade. If the government relaxes import regulations to open the economy, importing scrap will become easier.
Negative effects. Risk of expensive dollar. If the IMF conditions further weaken the rupee, scrap imports will become more expensive, impacting the local steel industry. Higher taxes and duties. If the government imposes additional taxes or regulatory duties to reduce the trade deficit, scrap importing costs may rise.
Challenges in letters of credit, LCs. Under the IMF program, banks sometimes impose restrictions on opening LCs, making it difficult for importers.
Conclusion. If the rupee stabilizes and import restrictions are eased, it could benefit scrap importing businesses. However, if the rupee devalues further or additional taxes are imposed, challenges may increase. Therefore, businesses must remain cautious and closely monitor market trends. Make sure to like, share, and comment. Take care of yourself, keep us in your prayers. If life permits, we will meet again. Allah Hafiz.